Alright, well, we are looking 7.6 miles at Wanapum Dam. And the camera here is a Nikon coolpix P1000. And the tripod legs are in the water in Wanapum Lake, and the camera is about, center of the lens of the camera is about 26 inches above the water. Went a little bit higher because I think there's a little bit of wave action going on down there from a little bit of wind, so I had to bring it. I tried it down lower and I couldn't see the dam, so I had to move it up a little higher. So I think we're above the waves now at 26 inches. And 26 or 27 inches above the water. And so you can see that we're actually seeing the guardrail. You know, there's the rocks. You'd see the I think they're called riprap rocks that are there on the dam there. And then you can see there's a guardrail because there's a road with a guardrail that they can drive on the top of the dam. So we're seeing light through the actual guardrail. Anyhow, that's 7.6 miles away. And temperature is either in the high, degrees Fahrenheit, sorry. Either in the high 60s or around. The news said it was going to be, weather news said it was going to be around 70 degrees today. I'm not sure if it really got that hot or if it still is. It might be high 60s. And I am using the digital zoom. So this camera does 125 optical zoom. And then right now I have it on the digital zoom. This is Vantage Bridge. That's 3 miles away. Anyways. Hard not to shake the camera around at 250 zoom. So yeah, 125 optical zoom, and then it can do 250 digital zoom. Apologize for shaking it all around. Okay, sorry. Leave it there. Maybe a little bit over. Anyhow, the Vantage Bridge is about 3 miles away from this position. And the bridge is, they have this earthfill road, I think a friend of mine called it, and so they kind of built a little peninsula out there, and then there's the beginning of the actual bridge. That's 3 miles away. Vantage Bridge is 3 miles away, and man. Ugh. And Wanapum Dam is 7.6 miles away. Oh, it is cloudy today, so that's why it's not as bright. But we also don't have glare off the water, so that's nice. Take the camera off the tripod. So all 3 legs are in the water. I measured it's about 28 inches up to the center of the lens when it's, from above the bottom of the tripod there, the way it's set up. So it's an inch or 2 in water. There's the tripod. High location, Wanapum Lake. Over here is, on Google Maps, they call this hole in the wall. A little bit they call hole in the wall. About a mile or so, maybe a little less, up north of here is the old Vantage Highway boat launch. I have some geese. I kind of stole their spot, so they weren't too happy about that. And then here's what this side looks like. Piles of rocks. I've been here before, but the water is a little bit lower. It's about the lowest that I've seen it. So the reservoir is, they do have it a little bit lower right now. And then this is a retaining wall for what my friend called a old wagon road, old wagon trail road, something like that. And that road goes down a mile and a half or so down from here and meets up with the lake. And then they used to have a ferry to cross the Columbia River back before they had bridges. Back before they had the bridges here. So here's the tripod. Stick it back on. And it's starting to rain.